Hey guys, Lizzie here. My personal brand is very colorful, happy light. I'm a big EDM music scene person. I promote for a lot of shows and I write articles for that. So, a big part of my brand is being a music journalist. I was gonna go to my website quickly, but I'll just add a link at the below my discussion for my website. It just highlights all my visual projects and just like my portfolio of me. But here are the articles that I've written. I've done many interviews with artists and I just get a lot of views on them too. So a lot of people see me as a music EDM influencer, especially in Denver. I promote for this company called the Mastery Clan. This is a talent manager. They do a lot of shows in Denver, and so a lot of people just know me as that. My personality is very known as I'm also have a small business, which my brand is just very happy, colorful, uplifting. A big part of raving is just being respectful to everyone, loving everyone. So yeah, that's my personality. And my expertise is just I've written a lot of articles, so I have a lot of knowledge on EDM and DJs, and I've even gotten like retweets and stuff on my Twitter for promoting my articles. So yeah, just a lot of people. My brand is very music focused, very consistent with music, as even my small business is like Candy for Raves, Candy, which is what ravers called their jewelry that they trade. So yeah, that's my personal brand, and that's all about me.